All right, let's talk about the Legacy Builders program and social media. Okay, kind of like a peanut butter and jelly combo thing. If you're going to do online business, no doubt social media, it's going to be right there like salt and pepper, right? Now, there's obviously a lot of choices when it comes to social media. It could be TikTok, all right? Oh, Instagram, Facebook. What else is there? Threads, all right? Twitter, or is it still X? All right, X marks the spot. And I'm sure even MySpace is hanging in there. All right, is Friendster still around? I'm dating myself like 20, 25 years ago, but nonetheless, when it comes to social media posting, I think that there's certain categories and certain groups of people that prefer Instagram because it might be about your lifestyle or, pictures, freedom, pictures of a beach, or there's obviously a lot of girls that do the hot tips on how to do their hair and makeup and walk around looking just all badass. Okay. So living the life on Instagram. And when it comes down to TikTok, you really got to get to the point, don't you? Because you have maybe 5, 10, 15 seconds. Now, if there's videos of car chases or people tripping in water or something, I mean, obviously you'll watch maybe 2, 3 to 5 minutes, but I think TikTok, it's more fast paced, high energy, and it's like, get to the point. Okay. And that's really not my favorite way. I kind of like to take my time and talk for like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, maybe even 10 minutes. So that's why I think Facebook is for me. Okay. But I try to post on TikTok, be as interesting as I can. Maybe just try to say, guys, Legacy Builders Program, go to the 900group.com, the 900group.com. Let me know what you think because it's designed to make 900 smackers a day. It could be that easy. And I said that, maybe 15 seconds or so. But when it comes down to Facebook, obviously I can share my screen, talk a little bit. One thing that I've learned over the last year or two of doing online business is most people that join my group or my groups or my business or my software, whatever I'm selling, I get usually the same exact feedback. Because if someone does join something that I'm promoting, I'm not shy. I will email that person. I don't know. I don't really text. I'm not really Facebooking, going in their inbox, but almost every opportunity that I have online, it involves putting your email address in and name. Okay. So when someone does pre-enroll, or if they go ahead and join, I'm the first to say, hey, welcome aboard. Here's a little story about me, who, what, where, and why, and what. Here's some contact information. Now, I don't really have to do that, but I think it really just makes you stick out so much more that whoever you're joining, whoever I'm joining, man, if I know that they have some contact information, and maybe it's only an email, maybe it is the inbox on Facebook, if there's a cell phone, who knows what. Okay, I'm not looking for social security numbers and home addresses, and I'm going to go camp in front of their house until 8 in the morning and then move in their living room. But it's nice to know that if someone goes, hey, here's my Facebook page. It's my personal page. I do have business on there too. Here's maybe my family. This is where I live. This is what I do. Okay. I think the more real you are, in my case, it's helped me sign up well over 400 and something people in one business. I've got thousands in several other businesses. Okay. And when it comes to TikTok, that's why I'm real nervous that I don't know if I can convey my personality or get someone to know, like, or trust me in 15 seconds, 30 seconds. I don't know. Maybe I can do it in a minute, but it doesn't hurt to try. The beauty of social media, other than, you have to have cell service and, a cell phone or a webcam, or maybe a home computer with a built-in webcam. Okay. If you have all that, and I'm sure you do, it's basically free, right? You just sign up, open up your favorite social media platform. I recommend, join one and get good at the best one that fits you. All right. I'm an older guy. I'm almost 60. And everyone's like, oh, Facebook, that's for old folks. I'm like, okay, that sounds good to me because I really do like Facebook. All right. Now, when it comes to Instagram, I don't really post a lot there. I do just post pictures of stuff. And if I'm promoting the Legacy Builders Group, I might just put a picture of freedom or maybe somebody holding some cash. I don't want to be too salesy and cheesy. like have a Lamborghini with cash in front of a house that I don't own. I fake it to make it. I don't like to do that. I'm so not that guy. I would rather you see my Facebook profile page, get to know me through video, do reviews, look up my name. I have nothing to hide, nothing to gain. I don't have to fake to make. Okay. When it comes to the Legacy Builders program, it stands on its own. It does millions a month with or without me. The courses, I've bought them. I bought all 4. I bought the Legacy Builders program, which includes all 4 courses. And it's designed to, yes, put 900 smackers in your pocket. I, on several days, have made 3 or 4 times that amount. Okay? It's a magnificent, badass opportunity. And I'm jealous of Michelle and her 5 other friends. It might be family, but I know that there's 6 people that operate the Legacy Builders program, which is basically a website. It has just awesome training on how to be interesting, compelling. All right. Do you feel like you know me if I do talk on my webcam like this? Because I hope so. That is my goal. Because if I mess up, if I drink something and spill it, if I get lost in a video or I ramble, okay, you guys might be more forgiving if it's like, okay, well, hang in there, Cory, you'll get it. All right. There's a new opportunity that you might be joining. And yeah, you're going to probably stutter, stall. Maybe you have notes. Where's all my notepads? Here they are. Tons of Post-it notes. I'm old school. I just love Post-it notes. I put it around my webcam. That way, if I get lost, I can kind of look off to the side a little bit and get, hopefully, maybe back on track, get to my point. Because if I do TikTok, in my mind, I got 15 seconds. All right. And if I can go longer, awesome. But I got to build up my TikTok channel, my profile, so that if I do have a lot of people that subscribe to it or watch it, maybe they've seen, oh gosh, 50 videos. Maybe it takes 100, but they get to know my personality. I've been on Facebook a long time, since about 2005, 6, or 7. I can't remember, but it's been a long time. So if you follow me on Facebook, you see that I do an amazing amount of posts, either pictures or funny things. My car show, the car shows that I promote, maybe it's my rock station, purerockradio.com, free plug. But that's why I'm a big fan of Facebook, because I've been around it the most, the longest. And I love that I can do a video like this. Maybe I put it on my YouTube channel, but I can post it on my Facebook page. I like having the inbox available because, yeah, if people have a question, they can inbox me anytime. And when I do have time, I can go through the questions. And if they're relevant and if they're interesting and awesome, and you guys need maybe just some information to get you over that little hurdle, that one last step where you might want to join one of my businesses. Awesome. I'm not shy. I'm not looking to make millions of dollars, and I'm so busy shopping that you can't bug me. But I will admit that most of my businesses, you set them up once, and guess what? You just watch video like this one. To recruit, it talks about the product, the service, the cost. There's customer support with all my businesses. There's setup videos. Okay, everything you need. And then with the Legacy Builders program, the reason why I really like it is because when you buy one of the courses, there's 4 available. Every one of them is education. Okay, so if you have a pizza shop or a gym, or maybe you're just trying to blow up your Amazon page, or maybe you want to be TikTok famous, Instagram cool, or maybe on Facebook, you just need to learn how to do either a video or maybe post something, because you do have to be somewhat interesting, or maybe it's the colors. There's not a lot of videos that have a ton of Hot Wheels and Lego kits and Kiss dolls mixed with fridge stuff, okay? But it's something I'm comfortable in. This is my little man cave. I bought a webcam at a company called Best Buy. I put a little light. You see the little ring light? It just kind of lights my face up a little bit because I'm in a commercial building. I don't have natural light in this, little man cave. So I bought a light for $25, a webcam, 70 something bucks. They're probably on Amazon for 50. Okay, but what's the best cell phone? The one you own. What's the best camera? Well, if you don't have a webcam and you're on a limited budget, then maybe you can go ahead and do video. I prefer it. I guess, would you call this a rectangle or where the phone is sideways? But I know with TikTok and others, it probably specializes in the phone being straight up, okay? You just write a script. I mean, if you want to do TikTok and you just lose track, go ahead and put up another screen. Maybe you have a home computer. I have a bunch of screens in front of me right now, and I just have one screen open, and it might be a script. And I'll just put it right by my webcam, so when I'm talking to you guys, it looks maybe like I'm looking at you, but I might have notes that I'm reading. Okay, like Saturday Night Live. Do you watch that show? Can you notice that almost every actor, they're reading, and you can tell they have the cue cards right off camera so they can just read their lines. And it's okay, because people just want to know, okay, what's your opportunity, Cory? The900group.com. Okay, let me check it out in 10 seconds, 30 seconds. If whatever I watch is great, I'll go to the next little video and on to the break of dawn. And if I'm not into whatever you're talking about, hey, nice to meet you. And just delete my email, delete my posts, go to another website, and maybe you can find something that's a better fit. Okay? But for me, I like Facebook. And I'll do my best to post some pictures on TikTok and Instagram. Okay? I'm really good at email. Email, I can sit down a little bit, and my emails are short. If they're over 30 words, that's too long. I like real simple things. All right, open this up by noon. That might be the subject. And then from there, hey, how you doing? This might be interesting. Watch this short video. Let me know what you think. Thanks for your time. Loves and kisses, Cory. Okay, I've got about 150 emails you can have for free. If you join the Legacy Builders program, guys, you're going to have tons of really hot, fresh information that's updated daily. Okay, but also I'll tell you what I've done, because I have 7 companies. I have 7 incomes online. The Legacy Builders program is one of them. Okay, the other 6 are just as easy. You set up a website and you invite people to a link to watch, and that's it. You're done. Okay, so anyway, thanks for your time, guys. It looks like I'm at the 12-minute mark here in a second. And this is why I like YouTube or maybe Facebook, where you can kind of relax a little bit and I can talk to you guys like maybe I'm in a classroom or in your living room or on the back patio sipping a drink while the sun's setting. But whatever your personality fits. I know if you're younger and a little more hyper, you like the energy and this pace of TikTok. And if you're more visual, all right, maybe you do like the Instagram. But anyway, we'll figure it out. Okay, let me just show you, if you don't mind, I just want to show you my little business card. And you can see my domain, the900group.com. At the end of the day, that's all I do. I invite people to this link, and you guys will figure it out. Just watch the short little videos with Michelle talking. And if you're in, you're in. And if you're on the fence, don't worry about it. Just come back, maybe watch some other videos, go do some research on YouTube, put in, I guess, Legacy Builders Program Scam Report, put in the word review. All I can tell you is I've been doing this a long time, and I know that I know about 99% more than anyone that's going to probably just try to put up fake scam videos in order for you to watch, and then you freak out and then you join their opportunity. And guys, that's okay if you do. There's plenty of room to make money anywhere. I just know that the Legacy Builders program, it's the best. Otherwise, I'd do something else. Okay, seriously. I'm very successful in other companies, and there's not a day that goes by that I don't get offered a free position in the next startup, because I know how to recruit. I'm pretty good at this video thing. I'm good at just being chill and inviting people to click something to watch something. And I know you can do this too. I don't care if you're retired, you're shy. There's plenty of videos already made that you can use that will get people to look at your business to join you with you doing 0 video. Okay, but we'll figure it out. If you want to do video, good. I think you'll have a good advantage. But if you don't, we'll get you good at posting on social media and maybe doing some email too. All right, but you just got to start somewhere. Thanks for your time, guys. Like I said, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it's the900group.com. All right, I always do the peace sign, love and peace and all that other good stuff. So cheers, you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and take care. Okay, talk to you later.